So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in last video we discussed how to use Canva, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail just like this one using canva.com. So make sure to watch full videos, and in the end I would also give you three main point of attractions in the YouTube thumbnail. So do watch the full video, and if you like the video, do hit a like. So let's move to my screen now. So okay, we are now here at my screen now, and I will show you how I made this using Canva. And I would also talk about three main point of attraction in this thumbnail. So make sure to watch the full video. So yeah, let's create this. Let me add one more page and delete this one. So when you will open Canva, just you need to just create and you search here YouTube thumbnail, and you will get this screen as it is. And here are some templates, but I'm not going into templates. We will create something from scratch, not from templates. So let's go to background, and yeah, let's choose some background. So here are many options. You can choose which you like as per your preference. I like to choose gradients for my background, so you can choose according to yourself. So let me choose this one, and I choose this one, and you can also change its color, and let me change it to blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I have changed it to blue, and now we'll move forward. So now I will go to upload, and you can upload your image from your device to here, and then you can use it. So I have this image and I've already uploaded, but still I uploaded so that you can learn this thing too. So yeah, let it upload. It is taking so much time. ah, so we get an image and just scale it, and now we are going to add some text here. Just add a heading. Just type learn to make. It is not all caps. Just type this learn to make and adjust it to your according to your need. You can adjust its size, location, whatever you want. Let's move there, and now let's press alt key and just drag it here so this can be copied. Professional. Okay, so I have written learn to make professional, and let's control press shift and select both things, and you can I am going and you can set it according to yourself. I am going to have rotated it, tilted it to some angle, and let's adjust this one. Its angle is looking somewhere what not good. Yeah, this angles looks fine to me, so I can adjust it here. And now I can add from an element, add a shape which is a rectangle, and just rotate it to adjust according to your text. And let's right click it and send to back so that it could not come over an image. Um, then after that, uh, just adjust it and just adjust it according to your need, and you can give it a color. what of your choice. This color looks. Oh, what happened? Ah, this color looks good, and then we can move to. I can give it a black color, and this one let me give white. Yeah, this is looking good, very good. Then you can add elements or add some more text. Let's now add thumbnail and drag it down and scale it according to your need, and place it wherever you want. Just it's just a 5 minute job making a thumbnail. You can just give it a color, add some effects, or yeah, let me add some effects. No, 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 not effects. Just a second. Let me. Yeah, these effects. You can give it a shadow, and let me give white, not white color. I will be giving black color, and let's increase some blur, and let's have some give some more direction, and decrease increase some transparency, and yeah, this is looking good. And adjusting to the background, and let's add an element. Let's search YouTube and add this one just to give it a great look. YouTube thumbnail, and then just press alt key, and not this one, yeah, all caps in, and you can all search Canva. I have already made this one, so this is coming in my recently used, but you can search them, and most of the elements are not free. I have a Canva Pro version, that is why I'm getting free elements, but you need to pay for it, most of them. Let's scale this one, and uh, let's adjust it here, and let's make this some small, and let's enlarge this one, and yeah, I guess we are ready, no more changes required. Yeah, we have made a good thumbnail in some limited time. And I personally don't use Canva to make thumbnails. I use Photoshop, but this one I made it in Canva, and it's pretty simple to make it in Canva. And I just use Photoshop because it gives more freedom. For example, if you want to add an image, for example, I added this image here. So I wanted to change its color. So you cannot change its color in Canva, but in Photoshop you definitely can change its color. These elements are available on Canva, but for Canva Pro, for free version, you need to find images of exact color according to your thumbnail. So I prefer Photoshop over Canva in making thumbnails. But if you are a beginner, you can manage with this one too. And now we have, I guess, made it almost same to same. Yeah, not exactly same. It is some difference of size and position, but yeah, it is looking good. And now the 3 points of attraction here, I want you to put an eye on, and just look at the thumbnail and what the things are attracting you. Just just write them in the comments. Write them in comments fast, fast, fast. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Yes, yes. Come on, fast. I hope you have written till now. So let's go by the psychology of the readers. So readers read from up to down and left to right. So from up to down, this is eye-catching rather than this, and the emphasis I want to make uh, emphasize on the word professional. So I just make it black and this one gray, and when you go down, your this one is a point of attraction here, and YouTube thumbnail. This is making some sense. You can add anything according to your creativity. And at last, I am just a second. Let's adjust this one some. And in last, this Canva cursive written, it is catching eye. So the what the points you want to make clear are already cleared here. I have made cleared professional because I want to make emphasize on the word professional. It is a part of copywriting which I would teach in some other video. I'm learning that thing. The thing is, it makes your readers attract. If I write learn to make YouTube thumbnail, it is looking quite plain. If I written here learn to make professional YouTube thumbnail, it is giving me edge over the other people. So, and this YouTube is looking good, and it is catching the eye of the, as it is an image, it will catch eye more early than the text, and that is why it is catching eye. And this Canva which is cursive, it is catching eye. So all the three things which I wanted to point out in this video are properly getting on the thumbnail, so the users or the watchers will click on it and they will watch my video. So I hope you are clear with this, and if you like the video, make sure to hit like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe button. And if you for next video I would be starting with Photoshop, and if you want to cover me something in the Canva, I can cover it too. Do mention that in comments, and from next video I would be starting with Photoshop. So stay tuned till then, and yeah guys, see ya, bye bye.